Hey George,
Hi Yash, how's your maths project preparation going?
the project is still incomplete, George. I have been busy correcting the exam papers.
Oh, okay. By the way, I have sent some gifts for your upcoming birthday.
It's okay, George. You don't really have to do that.
Please Yash, don't say no. You'll be receiving a call from the customs office soon.
Okay.
Hello, is this Ashwini?
Yes?
We have received a package on your name. You will have to pay custom clearance fees 30,000 rupees before you collect it.
Sorry? How much?
30,000 rupees.
Hi Ashwini, how are you?
Hey Ankit, I'm good. You went to UK, right?
Yeah.
I need some info.
Yeah, sure, what is it?
A guy from London added me on Facebook and we became close after a few days. He said he sent me some gifts and insisted me to take it. Later, I received a call from a custom officer asking me to pay 30,000 to collect it.
Oh my god, did you pay?
No, I was in dilemma. So I called you first.
Good. Any international package from the sender is always paid in full, and the receiver does not have to pay at all. This looks like a fraud case. Be careful.
Thanks, Ankit. I almost got trapped.